Since 2008, On Time Roofing has been providing licensed and insured general contracting services in Rockland County and Westchester County, New York. Our skilled craftsmen specialize in roofing services, gutter installation, chimney repair, skylight installation, and siding services for home and office. At On Time Roofing, we have built a reputation for providing honest, fair-priced services that exceed all customer expectations. Our goal is to deliver our community the latest and greatest exterior improvement products. As a local roofing contractor, you can count on us for residential and commercial sloped and flat roofing, including shingle roofing, wood shake roofing, copper roofing, and tile roofing. And when it's time for new siding, gutter replacement, chimney repair, or skylight maintenance, you'll find that we have the highest quality materials and a superior labor force that ensures fast, effective services. From the free initial quote until the job is complete and fully cleaned up, On Time Roofing in New York will be there every step of the way. Give us a call or visit our website to request a no-obligation quote for roofing, siding, gutter, skylight, or chimney service in Westchester or Rockland County. We promise to get your project done on budget and on time.